Hey, it's Kenny Chan here with a quick video about warning words that all buyers should remember to look out for when they're buying a property. The reason these are warning words is because these words, if they are in an MLS listing, so whether it's in the description, the extras section, or even the broker's remark, they can pose problems when it comes to lending and insurance. So once again, these are warning words. They do not mean that you will not get insurance or that you will not get lending on it. It just means you have to do your due diligence, especially if these words are in the listing. So let's get started. These are the 5 words: TLC, Renovator's Dream, Investor's Dream, Live/Work, and Kai-Tech. So the first 3, TLC, Investor's Dream, Renovator's Dream, are all basically referring to properties that need some sort of either remodeling or renovation or some other type of structural issue. So when lenders and insurers look at it, they might be thinking, okay, well, as the buyer, you've paid so much for it. It might require additional amount of work to actually make it into a property that is readily livable, and that is ultimately a liability to the lender or the insurer. Once again, these words don't necessarily mean that you won't be able to get lending or insurance, but they do come up as warnings for lenders and insurers. So once again, before you place a firm offer or an offer that is above market value, make sure you talk to your lender especially. The next one is Live/Work. So Live/Work units are basically usually apartments that are on the ground floor of a condo where there's one entrance to the unit from the hallway of the condominium, but also a second entrance, usually off of the street. So there's 2 entrances. The reason is for the work portion of it. So you can bring in a client off of the street instead of bringing them through the condominium building itself. Obviously, this is convenient for the person who lives there, but it is a warning word for insurers and lenders, mostly for the liability and the business liability related to the work portion of it. Once again, make sure you talk to your lender before you place an offer on these properties that have that type of wording. The last one is Kai-Tech. So Kai-Tech is a type of plastic plumbing that is no longer used in modern construction, but was used in anywhere from 1980s up until the early 2000s. This is a type of plastic plumbing that is more likely to break due to its construction. So in Canada, this sometimes can be an issue for lenders and insurers, once again, because of the liability. If the pipes burst, it may cause not just damage to your property, but also damage to anyone below you or around you. And this can increase claims, right? So once again, if you are interested in placing an offer on Kai-Tech, talk to your lender, talk to your insurer. Usually, Kai-Tech is disclosed through the status certificate of a condominium. Sometimes it's also disclosed on the MLS agreement, on the MLS listing. But sometimes the easiest way is to actually go to the property, look under the kitchen, look under the bathroom cabinets, and you can see Kai-Tech is a very distinct type of plumbing. If you have any questions, my website's below, my email's below, and send them to me and I'll be happy to help you. Okay, see you at the next video.